Looking for the best solder iron? In this video, we will break down the top 6 solder irons on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Hello there. Here at Better and Best Products, we're a group of product researchers and testers. We test, analyze, and research new and trending products to create a list of top picks for every category based on features, quality, price, and user feedback. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best decision. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more product review videos regularly.
At number 1. ANBES GJM001 Soldering Iron. It has brought an all-rounder electronic soldering iron kit which contains everything you need. It is very easy to carry and used for welding circuit boards, appliance repairs, home DIYs, jewelry welding, and much more. It is a 14-in-1 kit containing a vast array of tools. The support station has a double spring sponge iron holder which is safe to use. The soldering iron heats up very fast and has 5 multiple soldering tips replacement features. The iron head is not easy to drop due to its impact-resistant design of screw thread. It works on 60 watts 110 volts. The solder sucker desoldering pump has an aluminum body frame and has a high-pressure vacuum tube. It can be used with one hand and it is very effective. It is used for removing solder from PCB through hole solder joints. At number 2. SREMTCH MH2001 Soldering Iron. This soldering iron kit from SREMTCH will make it easy for you. As a contender for the best DIY soldering iron, this thing has a handy LCD digital display that clearly indicates the temperature, a temperature adjusting knob, an intuitive and simple on/off switch, a grip handle, a stand with a sponge, and even comes with wire and an array of other tools you may need for your soldering projects. What's more, it comes with clear instructions. Really good starter kit, expressed one buyer. This kit gives you everything you need to get started at a very reasonable price. At number 3. HAKKO FX600-102 Soldering Iron. This iron is adjustable temperature controlled soldering iron is the first place you should look. It uses a reliable heating element and boasts a lightweight, ergonomic handpiece ideal for long, laborious jobs where focus and precision are vital. The advanced electronic control provides exceptional stability, while the corded power design delivers consistency. However, if you need to solder circuit boards, this may not be the best option, but for larger jobs that demand chisel tips, this is a perfect choice. Tish iron is the next generation of variable temperature controlled soldering irons. It is ideal for soldering applications that require mobility or a long reach, such as soldering solar panels, etc. The extremely lightweight, ergonomic handpiece allows you to solder for long periods of time without hand fatigue. The soldering iron also features a convenient temperature adjustment dial in the handpiece that allows the user to select their optimal soldering temperature, and the advanced electronic controls and efficient ceramic heater provide accuracy and stability that rival older HAKKO stick irons. At number 4. LDK Soldering Iron. This iron comes with the 60-watt operation and temperature adjustment, and a handy plug-and-play design that helps you get started immediately, although this also means it's one of the few soldering irons without an iron stand or station. Despite this, there are 5 tips included with wire, while the 2-minute heat-up time ensures excellent efficiency. We just wish the cleaning sponge was a little better. Different shapes of tips make soldering iron easy to fit for guitar, watches, wiring, mobile device, computer hardware, small electronic work, TV capacitors or accessories. Professional soldering iron suitable for basic DIY fixes. It would be very satisfactory for the typical electronics hobbyist, maker, tinkerer, or DIY repairs enthusiast. At number 5. Weller WPS 18MP Soldering Iron. Since the WP lineup of soldering irons manufactured by Weller are a bit new and newly launched, they are more effective while doing equally powerful. It is one of the common power-efficient alternatives out there. For beginners, you arrange a good-looking high-temperature rating of up to 925 degrees Fahrenheit with this soldering gun. When you consider the fact that it can extend this at a power dissipation of just 60 watts, it is one of the more experienced options in the market. Even though there is an inbuilt LED light, it is not the brightest out. Just like older contributions from Weller, this one also carries a warranty duration of 7 years. At number 6. Weller WLC 100 Soldering Station. It's a 40-watt soldering kit with adjustable wattage, a sponge holder, and a soldering iron holder. Sadly, this iron doesn't feature temperature controls, but that's only a problem for temperature-sensitive components. And while 40 watts might not seem like a lot, it's more than enough to maintain stable temperatures. The Weller WLC 100 soldering station features high-quality components, wattage controls, and a holder for your soldering iron and sponge. High-performance analog soldering station produces up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit to handle many soldering projects. Variable power control dial adjusts power from 5 watts to 40 watts for accuracy.